camera. What's Tagalog of face?
I don't know.
Mukha.
Mukha.
What's Tagalog of nose?
No nose.
Ano pangalan mo?
Ilong?
Anong pangalan mo? Ano kasarian mo? No. Babae o lalaki?
Babae.
Spell babae.
E-A-B-A-B.
Very good. Ilang taong gulang ka na? Ilang taon? How old are you? Ilang taong gulang ka
5
na?
years old.
5?
Lima?
Lima.
Taon.
5 is 5. Oh. Kailan kaarawan mo? Kaarawan. Birthday.
December 25, 2018.
Very good.
Sa Tagalog of hand.
Kamay.
Oh, ano Tagalog of ears?
Tenga.
Very good. What's the Tagalog of hair? Hair.
Who? Who? Oh.
Buhok.
Bubog.
What's the Tagalog of
It's an easy answer. What? What? Wounded.
Tagalog is?
no, it's quit.
Kuwet.
What?
Kuwet is Tagalog.
Tell wounded again.
Eyes, eyes. Eyes, eyes.
I don't know.
Eyes.
Mata.
Mata. What does Daddy ask her?
Huh?
Lips.
Lips.
What's the Tagalog of lips?
Bibig.
Baby.
Labi
Daddy,
eating.
let's start the challenge. Hey, we'll play a challenge from the upper side. Starts with letter L.
What
Lips.
challenge?
Oh.
Lion.
Oh. You don't know this one. You don't know. You don't know this. You don't know this one. You don't know this one.
How you dance, Tama? The one you're dancing in school. Can you tell us?
I don't know the rules.
You just show.
I forgot
Just show.
that rules.
So that Daddy can know.
Kalikot mo na.
This